In front of me is Samsung Solid, and let me show you how to change the language of this device. So whenever you wish to change your system language, just open Menu, then find and select Settings, go to Phone, and click on Language. And just pick the one that you would like to set as your default one, tap on Yes to apply it, and as you can see from now on, it is added. So as you can see now, we can use the device in this brand new language. So this is it. This is how you can smoothly and easy change language. You can obviously pick any language you want. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.